Hey, it's Kylie, and I'm a recovering self-tanning disaster. I'm talking streaks, spots, the full Oompa Loompa. Not cute. But I've come a long way from my days of self-tan debauchery. Here's what I've learned about how to get the perfect self-tan. First rule to great self-tanning is great exfoliation, like scrubbing the living daylights out of your skin. Use an exfoliating mitt in the shower, or give dry brushing a try. Just do something that's gonna get your skin as smooth as possible, but nothing that's gonna leave a residue on your skin. It also helps your tan fade evenly. Next, you're gonna moisturize your most porous areas. I'm talking feet, ankles, knees, hands, wrists, and elbows. All those places that just seem to suck up tanner the most and streak easily. Moisturizing will help your coverage to be more even. The tanner is white. It doesn't have any dyes in it, so treat it like a body butter. But rub and rub until your heart's content. Work it in with circular motions. The more you rub, the more even your tan will be. You want to use enough tanner to give yourself some color without using too much. Half a teaspoon or so is a good place to start. Start the larger, less porous areas first, like your thighs or upper arms. With what's left on the mitt, lightly pass over the more porous areas. You can also dilute the tanner with your favorite lotion for your knees, feet, ankles, hands, wrists, and elbows. But don't apply product just to those places, and try to avoid rubbing. Less is definitely more here. And now, we wait. It takes 5 to 8 hours for full results. Don't get wet until the full 8 hours have passed. If you want a darker color, reapply again after the 8 hours. A few tips. 1. Moisturize to make your tan last even longer. It should last 4 to 6 days. 2. If you want to use this tanner on your face, you can. But if you have sensitive or acne-prone skin, I suggest using Beauty by Earth's Face Tanner. 3. Wait about 10 to 15 minutes before putting on clothes or hopping in bed. Yes, you can sleep in this self-tanner. 4. If you don't have someone to help you apply the self-tanner to your back, put an application mitt on your dry brush and you instantly have more length to your arm. My last note, tanner's not sunscreen. It's not going to protect you. So if you're going out in the sun, make sure to SPF up. All right, my little Oompa Loompas, go forth and tan. Have fun!